In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the timer in your dryer. So to diagnose the timer in your dryer, it's quite easy, but there's a couple things you're going to need. One, you're going to need a multimeter that you can set on continuity, and that when you touch your probes together, it'll make an audible sound such as this. You'll also going to need your wiring diagram so that you know which contacts on your dryer timer you need to test for the problem you're having with it. So once you know which contacts you want to test, you can put your knob back on the timer for testing purposes so that you can rotate it. Once you know which set of contacts you want to test, you'll just put your probe on one side and the probe on the other. Rotate your timer to the selection that you want to test for, and you should get an audible sound. If you do, that set of contacts is good. If you're not getting it, then that set of contacts are bad and you'll have to replace your timer. And that's how easy it is to diagnose your timer.